The University of Winnipeg created the Manitoba Indigenous Tuberculosis History Project in 2019 as a social media campaign. The goal was to identify unnamed Indigenous TB patients in photos donated by the Manitoba Lung Association.
And in a lot of cases, there is a wish to skip to reconciliation ahead of truth. It's truth and reconciliation, not just truth. And so our project is part of that truth telling.
While identifying patients is still a goal of the project, a new research guide is being developed to help Indigenous communities and families find those missing TB patients that never came home.
This is something that's critical to truth and reconciliation and really healing around missing people from communities.
A searchable database of historical photos and resources for researching Indigenous TB history will be part of the guide being led by Dr. Ann Lindsay.
What we're looking at is trying to find a number of ways that communities can tell their own stories about the history and record their own stories. So there's going to be an oral history project coming up. There's been other research in the past. And then this project as well to try and help people be able to find their own information about what's happened to family members.
Dr. Lindsay previously worked for the Truth and Reconciliation Commission and has spent years helping families research connections to residential and Indian hospital schools. Simplifying the process of looking for a missed loved one is her goal.
What we want to put together is a website that not only just has sort of links and ideas of places to ask, but a process about, go here first, and this is the kind of information that you need to go to this next step, and also just present it in a way that is useful and understandable for the people who are going to want to use this kind of research knowledge.
An oral history project with former hospital staff is also in the works, along with a traveling exhibit. Daryl Stranger, APTN National News, Winnipeg.